What's up, guys? This is how you fit 35s on a leveled 9 to 14 F150. Mine is a 2012 F150 EcoBoost, so just so y'all can get an idea of how it looks. That's how it'll stand with it on. It'll poke out a little bit in the front. Alright, so what you need is a 2.5-inch leveling kit. I did a 2.5-inch rough country leveling kit, and that'll get you the space. And then so that doesn't rub on the control arm, as you can see, plenty of space back here. You need a wheel spacer. And so 1.5 inch works best with the Nitto trail grapplers, because these run wider. These are the 35, 12.5, 18. So 1.5 inch spacer will work fine for that. And then you will have to do a little bit of trimming, nothing crazy, just along the plastic here under the bumper. And then in the back, you do need, if you don't want to trim this, you can get a mallet and kind of just push it in with the mallet. Give it a couple of smacks so it clears. And then the carpet liner, you do have to cut that a little bit. And so yeah, that should be it. The back for, these are the backs. The backs are fine. So they stick out.